Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Let's continue our EDA session. So as of now we have completed discovering, structuring, cleaning, joining. Only two things are left, validating and presenting. Okay, now what is validating? It ensures that the data meets the expected quality. That means the data must not have any inconsistency, any error or any kind of anomalies. Okay, so simply you have to make sure that your data is valid. After you do any step like discovering, structuring, cleaning, you always have to make sure that the data is valid. Okay, now here I have written some techniques for validating the data while doing EDA part. It's your job to do these things because all these things are already discussed. You can calculate the mean value if your column is numerical, median value, mode value. You can check the distribution like normal or something else. By this you can understand whether this column is valid or not, right? For categorical column also you can check the mode value, and you have to make sure that this column is valid. For date time column, sometimes you may need to change the data types. Okay, if missing column, then you have to fill the missing values by something else. If duplicates is there, then you have to delete the duplicates. If any kind of merge is needed, then you have to join, concat, merge. If any kind of structuring is needed, then you have to do all these things. So after you complete all these steps, you have to make sure that the data is valid. There is no error, no inconsistency, no anomalies before you model the data. So it is your job to do all these things. If you find any problem, then let me know in comment section. Okay, try to get the standard deviation value, the max value, the mean value. Try to find the range of the data set. Try to find whether there is any outliers or not. Okay. All these things are used to check whether your data is valid or not. Okay, you can check the normality also. Okay, you can check by p value also. Okay, so this is your job to do this part. Next one is presenting. Presenting means communicating your findings, right? Like whatever is there in the data set, whatever hidden patterns, findings, you have to share it to your stakeholders. How will you share? Obviously, you will use some graphs, plots, then only you will be able to tell that these are our findings. These are the things can be improved. These are the measures we can take. Okay. So your suggestions must be presented to the stakeholders. Okay. So how can you do this? By different kind of data visualization techniques. These things also we have done while doing matplotlib and cbot. We did scatter plot, line plot, heat map. We found the correlationships by heat map. Okay. So all these things comes under presentation. You make a summary report and you highlight the findings. See here, one data set is taken, and here first histogram for math scores, then box plot. You can find outliers. You can understand what is the 5 summary value. Then scatter plot. You can understand the relationship. Then bar plot, you can find the frequency. Pie chart, you can find the percentages. Heat map, you can find the correlationship of different variables. And pair plot, in a single plot, you can see so many charts together and you can find the relationship, how they are correlated. Okay, so all these things we have done in details in our visualization classes, like in Matplotlib and C1. Okay, so we are not going to repeat these things. It's your job to do all these things. Take any data set and try to do as many kind of map as possible. Okay, so we have finished our EDA. This is all about EDA. We have understood how to explore the data set, how to structure, organize the data set, how to clean the data set, how to handle missing values, how to remove outliers, how to mitigate the effect of outliers. Then we understood how to join the data set, how to join based on a common column, how to join row wise, how to join axis wise, column wise. Then we understood how to make sure how to validate the data. and how to present the data. Simple. We have completed our EDA part. And once again, these are no fixed steps. Any step can come after other step. After you try to present the data, you may find some patterns. You may think that you need some cleaning part. So you may go back to cleaning. Okay, all these steps occur in a circle. Any step can come after any other step. Your main aim is to make your data clean and ready for modeling. So we are done with the EDA part. Next, we will understand what is feature engineering. Okay, till then, bye. Happy learning.